Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask a user to give a series of numbers, and then our program will reverse the order of the given number using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for today. So let's begin. So basically guys, I'm using dev C++ in writing this C program. It is free to download in their website. Kindly check. So we have here line number 1, stdio.h for input output. Std means standard input output. We have here int main. It is the starting and ending point of every C program. It is a function actually in every C or C++ program. We have here left curly bracket, and then I have here two variables, int and rev number. So we have the title here, reverse a number in C. We have here print formatting new line, give a number, will store in a variable n using while loop statement, while condition not equal 0, rev underscore num equals rev num underscore num multiplied by 10 plus n modulus 10, n equals n divided by 10, close, where we can get the reverse number here that we display reverse number. We have here new line and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. We have also here new line to new line, print formatting, and then we close with the right curly bracket in our main function. Okay, let us go to execute, compile and run. Okay, our program runs now. Reverse a number in C, give a number, let's say 2019. So when we reverse 2019, the reverse number is 9102. End of program. Let's say run. We have here 1941. Okay, so when we reverse the number in 1941 will be 4091. End of program. Last example, let's say 2011. So when we reverse 2011, it will be 1102. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on reverse a number in C. I hope that you have learned and entertained in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. As I said earlier of this video, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. If you want to support my channel, I have there PayPal, GCash for my audience here in the Philippines. You can donate. Your donation is highly appreciated to support my channel. So see you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.